Hello, rocket makers! Today I'm here to announce the start of my Patreon channel, and as part of that I will be giving away to all members a rocket, a fully complete kit that you can build yourself, made with some 3D printed parts and some conventional rocket supplies. So, still under development, but here's the fin can. It's called the Banshee, and it looks pretty stylish, but this thing's got a special secret, and the special is in this pod at the end of the fin. And this pod makes sound. So it's called the Banshee because it's going to scream the whole way up. You'll definitely get attention at your rocket launch. In addition to this, signing up for my Patreon is going to get you early access to all of my design files. So even things like my Saturn V, you will get the design files a month before they're released to the general public. And some of them, like this one, I think I'm probably going to keep this for Patreons only. So feel free to subscribe. The link is down below. If not, don't worry about it. All of these designs, well, maybe not this one, will be available to the general public eventually on Thingiverse. But it would definitely help me out if you can well, aid a little in the development of these projects. The Saturn V in particular, the plastic is a fair amount, but it's not undoable. But it's a lot of time to do all the drafting for that. So any amount you can help with is certainly appreciated. In the meantime, have fun flying.